What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Soggy Bottoms Outdoors. It is a long overdue video coming from Arkansas. This is our second day in Arkansas. I'm sorry it took so long. As some of you may know, I got engaged, I went to Arkansas, I got back, and we're listing our house to sell, and we're wedding planning, a lot of stuff happening. Also, got ankle surgery. It's not that bad. Maybe I'll tell the story later. But I have to be on my feet for a couple weeks, so editing videos are happening now. I hope you enjoy. Stick around for more stuff coming out, and let's get into it. Stay. Let's get it.
There's a low flyer too.
Where at?
It's way back.
Is he going down? Good girl. Leave. June, hey! Fetch. Fetch. Come on. He's behind you. Leave it. Leave it. Hey, leave. Fetch. Leave it. Leave. Fetch. No. Deck. They're coming back around. Leave it. Good girl. Leave it.
Yeah. Yeah, they're right there.
Good girl. Place. Straight up. June! She's already gone.
I don't know, I just pulled up and said,
That one of them blues watching in the middle of them ones, someone's feathers. If he lives, I will.
he might be coming back.
Come here. Leave it. Leave. Good girl. Leave. Two. Good girl, come on. Good girl. Heel. Sit. Leave it. Good. Huh?
What a good girl.
Oh. Good, hey, good girl, good. All right, everybody, so I've had some good groups work us today. Birds are moving in finally. It's been one full day of just suck. In the evening time we had a little bit more birds work in, but nothing ever worked us enough to get a good shot. And today we had some high shots, but had some good good shows. So we got about another hour and a half before it's shooting time and or stop time, and we'll see what happens, what comes through. Hopefully a lot more birds keep jumping up, moving around. I've seen a lot of birds today, so hopefully this is the start to the good rest of our week. But stay tuned and hope you enjoy. There's three.
There's one that landed way back there, back in that pond. There's water right there.
Did
I
it?
just see a flash of white down there.
All right, well that one's still, I'm gonna go get that one far one.
Okay.
Yes, you can slide out and come up on it.
Good girl. Here, here, here. Good girl. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Come on. June, here. The one back here?
That one right there, you mean?
Yeah.
In that water hole.
Yeah. Where are you going?
The one that fell out dead back there.
He got, I picked one up from back here and he picked one up.
Two.
Yeah, we got two from back here.
Dog picked up two?
He picked one up and she picked one up from back here.
No, four.
Oh, okay. How'd you like that? Spray and pray, as some people would call it, but we're gonna go get this cripple, see if she can pick it up without flying off, but we'll see. Jane, heel. This is muddy stuff. Sit. Dead bird. Back. Over. 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 It's getting closer. Over. Hopefully you don't see. The bird is that way. She's close, but there she goes. She can probably run it down. Over. She sees it. There she goes. Come on. There you go. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Good dog. Good girl. From the angle she immediately took, it was every bit of 200 yards or more. Might be able to Google map that later and see exactly what it was, but gotta get back over here. Still got some light to shoot, so hopefully keep at them. She got a wing in her face. Good girl. Good. Good girl. Here. Here. Heel. Sit. Leave it. Good dog. Ah, good job. Right to our left here. To our left.
Kill him.
Got one. Got one.
Get him.
We're going down over there.
Alright, I'm going. Alright, we're going. We get some shells. Alright. June's faster. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Yeah. June. Come on. Here. Heel. Heel. Dead bird. Back! 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 Over! Turn around. There she goes.
Maybe.
Yeah, he's got
This
it.
works out.
She's.
They'll see them both with her out there chasing them.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that other one. He shouldn't steal that one from her.
If she does, I can stop her. He sees the other one. Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect, buddy. She wanted to keep going that way. There's nothing over there, kid. Is there? Do I not know something?
They ain't stupid us no more.
Let's just shoot him.
Right.
That's.
Got one down.
Stay. Stay. Stay.
Stood up, hit the.
Oh, he's trying. Place.
That'll be a fun one. Kill him. straight up. Looking through that cane, they looked a whole lot closer than whenever I stood up. I come out, I thought, oh.
Hey, one's coming back around.
Like I said, I was looking up through this shit right here, and I was like, man, all right. Them three looked like they were right there. I thought, well, maybe we get them. I stood up. I thought,
Good girl,
oh
Jen.
God, maybe not.
Hey, y'all get ready. One's hurt and swinging back. Might be all following him. He's to the left.
On.
Right above us.
Got two? Yeah. Good dogs. Come on.
They were still just doing it. I got right there and just did it all on it. Everything just stopped. It started to flatten out. Usually
That's all I got for y'all today, folks. I hope you enjoyed. I think, if I remember correctly, we ended up with like 20 birds that day. That was actually our second day. The first day we killed one, and there really wasn't that much footage. So, like I said, we have more videos coming out. The days got better as we were there, and the footage got better, hopefully, in my opinion. So, we shall see. Hope you enjoy. Stick around for the next one. They'll be coming out soon. See y'all later.
I got 'em.